In this video, I shall show you how to draw a hypergraph. Hypergraph is a pair of vertices and edges denoted by capital X as for vertices and capital E for edges. And X is a set of vertices, and E is a set of edges. Here I have 7 vertices and 4 edges. Capital E represents the edges or edge set, the collection of edges. Here we have 4 edges. Each edge is a subset of vertices, which is represented by capital X. So each edge is a subset of vertices. So here E1 has V1, V2, V3 as 3 vertices as a subset. E2 has a subset which has 2 vertices V2 and V3. E3 subset is V3, V5 and V6, and E4 has only one vertex V4. First we shall place all the vertices. So first one is V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5, V5, V6 and V7. So these are the vertices and edges. Now we have to draw the edges. So let me choose a circle. V1, V2, V3 collectively forms a E1 edge. So V1, V2, V3 collectively form a E1 edge. So E1. Okay, next is E2. E2 has V2 and V3 as a edge. V2 and V3 has one edge. So this is edge 2. And edge 3 is V3, V5 and V6. Okay. V3, V5 and V6. Okay. Choose a green color. V3, V5 and before that let me move this V5 so that the diagram so V3, V4 V4 is a separate edge. So edge E3 is this one. This one is E3. And this one is edge 4. E4. And one more vertices was there, that is isolated vertex that doesn't have any edges. Okay. So this is the hypergraph for this vertices. This is hypergraph for the 7 vertices and 4 edges. So this is how we have to draw any hypergraph for given vertices and edges. Thank you.